friends, welcome to Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you looking to spice up your food with a creamy, flavorful dip? Your answer is in the video, so watch this video till the end. Remove ends from cucumber and grate cucumber. If you're using a regular cucumber, then remove seeds before grating. Squeeze the grated cucumber to remove the water. In a mixing bowl, add Greek yogurt, lemon juice, salt, garlic powder, olive oil, cilantro, and mix well with a whisk. If you like the flavor of dill leaves, substitute cilantro with dill leaves. Add squeezed grated cucumber and mix well. To make pita chips, we are using some whole wheat pita bread. Cut into wedges, drizzle oil, season with salt and pepper, and bake. This Greek yogurt cucumber dip is perfect dipping sauce that everyone loves. This delicious dip is a healthy topping that works great with kabobs, falafels, shawarma, or with pita chips. Greek yogurt dip is ready for serving with pita bread and fresh vegetables, or as a sauce for grilled vegetables and falafel. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Share your comments and feedback on the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!